Are you under 18? Does that always save you? No. Come, let's understand the concept. Many people think that a child under the age of 18 can never be tried as an adult. But Indian law is more complicated than this. It is governed by Juvenile Justice Act. Law divides crime in three main categories. First, simple offense. It is the one in which the punishment is up to 3 years, like simple hurt. Secondly, serious offenses. It is the one in which punishment is up to 3 to 7 years, like theft. Thirdly, and the most important, heinous crime, wherein the punishment is more than 7 years, like rape and murder. But here is the twist. As per Section 15 of Juvenile Justice Act, a child between the age of 16 to 18, if commits a serious crime, then the Juvenile Justice Board takes into consideration maturity, physical capacity, circumstances of the case, and understanding consequences. After that, if the child is considered to be a fit and mature, then the case is transferred to adult trial. Under adult trial, he may face a longer term of imprisonment, but no death penalty or no life imprisonment without an opportunity to get released. But if it is considered to be an unfit or immature, then in such case, it will be considered as a juvenile. He will be sent to rehabilitation or observation home for the maximum period of 3 years. So focuses on rehabilitation rather than revenge. But in serious offenses, accountability increases. So yes, a minor can face a serious punishment and in some cases can even be tried as an adult. So under 18 does not always guarantee you protection.